Let's start by exploring today's prompt. Today's prompt is our Wish Upon a Star prompt. So I have written some ideas. I encourage you today with this I Wish prompt to also consider your own ideas, but if you'd like a starting place, we have those as well. Some of the I Wish prompts I've written down is I wish I could write a song, I wish I could be a character in a movie, I wish I could change one thing about my job forever. Today I am going to use dominoes to choose our prompt, and whichever domino I pull first will correspond with our prompt. Let's look at the top of the domino. We have the number 5. The number 5 corresponds with I wish I could change one thing about my job forever with no repercussions. So that will be the first part of our journaling prompt. Today's sense that we'll include as part of our prompt is the sense of taste. We have tastes such as tart, chalk, vanilla, dirt, buttery, and salty. I encourage you to consider how you might describe these tastes in your work, whether that's a journal entry, maybe a list, a creative story, or the wildcard option. In just a moment, I will select a domino, and this will give us the opportunity to add the taste element. Let's see what number we get this time. And it looks like our taste element will be the number 6. The number 6 corresponds with the word salty, so we have the salty taste. Let's build out our prompt. So we have if we could change one thing about our career or our life, and we have the taste salty. Now let's brainstorm some different journaling ideas. We can take the literal direction. What is one thing you would change? Something you could change forever. And let's say you could change it without consequence. Maybe you could consider something that would be really exciting, like increasing your salary, maybe to 5 times what you currently get paid. You could journal about what you would do with the extra money. You could write about what might happen if you moved into a new tax bracket. I know many people would happily change their job to give them the opportunity to work from home forever, have no commuting, to save the time from driving back and forth from work, to be able to have a bit more time to be able to work and also save some time by doing things like throwing in a load of laundry, perhaps, to save the wear and tear on their car, save money on gas. In addition, you could consider something like, would you like to switch to a different division? Let's pretend you're someone who has lived in California and you really love the snow. So maybe you decide that you're going to switch to your department in Colorado because what you really love is not the beach. What you really love is skiing. So you want to move to Colorado where you can go skiing more often. Or maybe you just want to switch to a different department. Maybe you're in marketing, but you minored in accounting and you think that that's what you'd really like to do for the rest of your life. When you think about it, how does that feel to you?